Hey, today we start simple. We'll create a Google account. Basically, we're just making a Gmail. This video is part of my Google Ads playlist. Yesterday I posted the first one. Just an intro about what the course is about. But the way we already got our first subscriber. Can you believe it? This course is for business owners who want to make money selling their products. Or maybe you want to run ads yourself if you don't have the budget for a pro. Or maybe you have a specialized who wasted your ad budget. Now you'll know how to check it yourself. And today we'll create a Google account together. So, creating an email, a profile, an account, it's all the same thing, just different words for the same process. Go to google.com, that's the main Google page, click Gmail, then create an account, choose for my personal use. The next screens might look a little different, but it's all very intuitive. I'll teach you how it works. So even if the layout changes, you still know what to do. Type your first name and add your last name too. I'll explain why later. Click Next, enter your birth date and gender. If you skip something and click Next, it'll turn red. Fill in and click Next. Here you can create your own Gmail address. But the easiest way is to choose one of suggested emails. If you left the last name empty early, you might not get suggestions. And finding a free name can take a while. I choose this and click Next. On this step you must create a password and click Next. Now it asks for your phone number and confirm it. Sometimes it's required, you can skip it. Enter your number, Next, get a text and type the code. Click Next again. Next, Google asks for recovery email. It helps you restore access if you forgot your password. Then Google shows your info, click Next. Now you'll see choose your settings. You can finish it fast, one-step setup, but if you want privacy, choose in 4 steps. Click Next. Don't save web activity in my account. Next. Don't save YouTube history in my account. Next. Show me generic ads. Next. Privacy. Next. Confirm your setting. Confirm. Privacy. I agree. Turn off everything. It just adds noise. Easy to get lost here. Turn off. Next. Turn off. Next. Turn off. Save. Reload. Now the most important part. In the right corner, click your profile icon, then click Manage your Google account. Go straight to the security section, turn on two-step verification. I choose two-step verification for telephone number, but you want to do another way. There are some options inside. This keeps anyone else from logging into your account. It's very important. Make sure your recovery phone is added and verify your recovery email if you added one. Security first, always. Open Gmail. You'll see 2 emails there. And that's it. Your Google account is ready. You can add personal info or a photo. That's optional. I'll add this video to the playlist Google Ads course for beginners. And in the next lesson we'll set up Google Ads account. Hit like, subscribe, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Or join the Discord. That's it for today. Think bigger and make money.